One is two.
Your mom's gonna die. Your mom's dead! Oh my god. Holy fuck. I started out on top.
You?
I'm on the very bottom.
Wait. I don't think you ever started on the top.
Not good. No, it's not good though. Watch this.
Keep up.
Don't even know about it.
Wait, that's gonna fuck. You like more and more of that. That shit. I mean, that's all. Wow.
Those are
Spike planted. Last player standing. Refreshing. Drop in a
Very
smoke.
deep. Remote 2 on everything? Yeah.
Did you just smoke that?
Drop in a smoke.
Trade.
My ult is ready. You don't get a reset button.
Holy fuck.
Stay alive, please.
What?
I'm
Oh, do
515.
they usually drone this? Yes. No? Okay, so just yeah, they do. Well, we just go to the corner and then I'll bait. You actually break the drone though? Like, yeah, those shit. Like, yeah, I can't do it. Wait, you're looking all. Nah, let's just bet.
Who's next?
Yeah, bro.
Scanning ahead.
Like I never left.
I do like yo.
Spike down B.
That's right.
One enemy remaining.
Wait, you're actually just watch this shit on his TV. Like, live in 4K. Like, he just watched it with his own. That's crazy. Wait, where did you go to Steven?
Yeah, no, I'm go to 2. I'm go to 2.
Let's do that shit on 8.
Hey, no, I'm go to 2.
Let's do that shit again on 8.
Yeah, I'm down.
What
do you mean? What's
This
so
is
funny?
like I walked the line, but this time he's making me again. I walked the line. Wait, Loki? Wait. I go over there, I kill him, but you walk the line though.
Nah, yeah, no, I'm down. Yeah.
Get out of my way.
Alright.
I know exactly where you are.
All good.
Spike down A.
I wouldn't take that. Wait, if it's a good case, he actually fought I won't. He did. Nah, they killed it though.
2 minutes. You're something, man.
They got bombed. 7.1 euro. No, can you swing out and get like 1 and then 2v2? You win. Hey! Alright.
Close cat. One.
Drop. I'm
Wait, do
515.
they usually drone this? Yes. No? Okay, so it's all- Yeah, they do. Well, we just go to the corner and then I'll bait. You know, actually break the drone though? Like, yeah, no shit. Like, yeah, I can't do it. Wait, you're looking all. Nah, let's just bet.
Who's next?
Yeah, easy, bro.
Scanning ahead.
Like I never left.
I do like yo.
Spike down B. One enemy remaining.
Wait, you're actually just watch this shit on his TV. Like, live in 4K. Like, he just watched it with his own. That's crazy. Wait, where did they go to Steven?
Yeah, no, I'm go to 2.
Let's do that shit on 8.
Hey, no, I'm go to 2.
Let's do that shit again on 8.
Yeah, I'm down. do you mean? What's
This
so
time
funny?
I walked the line, but this time he's taking me again. I walked the line. Wait, Loki? Wait. I go over there, I kill him, but you walk the line though.
Nah, yeah. No, I'm down. Yeah.
Get out of my way!
Alright.
I know exactly where you are.
All good.
Spike down A.
I wouldn't take that. Wait, if it's a good case, he actually fought I walled. He did. Nah, they killed it though.
Two minutes, just on mid.
They got bombed.
71
euro. No, can you swing out and get like one and then 2v2? You win.
Beat back.
Hey! Alright.
Close cat. Alone.
Drop.
Enemy remaining.
Another one. He's close. Hit him down. He's right there. TP. Low. He's in. Yeah, you guys are all dead. Everybody chill out. Oh, that's a kill right there. Hey! Wait, we're back.
No, now she's turning the fuck up now.
We gotta get.
I'm turning the freak up.
We gotta come up with new plays and shit. Wait, we can just destroy the door like RQ and then like just stay market and then shoot off the trips. Zero TP's here. Where? Yeah, he's a bad. Alright, activate the door though. Like no finish it. Hurry. I can't. It's like it's glitching. So yeah, we're done. Yeah, you just close door me. I can help you now.
No, he's 120 and he peeks again, bro. He's so ass. He peeks again. Oh my god, he's 120. Who the fuck peeks again?
Wait, Sanford's 120? Who's 120?
Jez 120. Jez 120.
Wait, do I speed out this or no?
Yes.
I'm gonna wait for contact on cat. Do you see anyone? Yeah.
They're going to check.
No surprise. No
way,
escape.
bro.
Last player standing.
Enemy
Caught.
revealing area.
Just one HP. Late. No, that was actually the perfect play by them. Holy crowd.
Match point. Enemy remaining.
Another one. He's close. Hit him down. He's right there. TP.